Good morning everyone. Today I discuss chemical kinetics. Some important question of chemical kinetics. Question number 1. For a reaction A plus B gives product, the rate law expression is given by rate is equal to, that is rate constant, concentration of A to the power half, B to the power 3 by 2. What is the order of reaction? What is the order of reaction? Order is equal to, that is, this is the order half plus 3 by 2. Answer is equal to half plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2. That means direct answer is equal to second order. That is second order. Next question. Question 2. The conversion of molecule X to Y follows second order kinetics if concentration of X is increased 4 times. How will it affect the rate of formation of Y? According to question, rate is equal to K X to the power, that is second order. Now the concentration of X is increased by 4 times. So nu is equal to 4x to the power 2. That means 4 square, that is 16 times. The answer is 16 times. Actual answer is 16 times. This is the rough work. Next question number 3. A reaction is first order in X and second order in Y. How is the rate affected when concentration of both X and Y are double? According to question, first order, that is rate is equal to K x to the power 1 due to it is first order, a y to the power 2 that is second order. Now both are increased by, that is double. The new rate is equal to r is equal to k 2x to the power 1 and 2y to the power 2. That means 2 that is 2 into 2, that is 8 times. Answer is equal to 8 times. Next question number 4. Show that in first order reaction time required for completion of 99.9% is 10 times of T half, that is T 50%. Solution is T half according to first law of chemical kinetics, first order reaction. So that is first order reaction. T half is equal to 0.693 by K or 69. Next, T 99.9%. T 99.9% is equal to 2.303 divided by K log original is equal to 100 and remains is equal to 0.1. That means 2.303 divided by K, 100 divided by 0.1, that is 1000, log 1000 is equal to 3. That means 0.6 that is 6.9 by K. For this, that is T half into 10 is equal to T 99.9%. That is 0.69 or 6.9. Next question 5. Is equal to question 5. Identify the reaction order from the following rate constant value. Question A, K is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 1 per second. According to the unit of K is equal to unit of K, that is order. Identify the reaction order K, that is order of reaction. Unit of order is equal to mole 1 minus n liter n minus 1 and second inverse. Only that is second inverse to 1 minus 1, that is 0, any to the power of 1. That means it is first order. It is first order. B, K is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 1 mole inverse liter per second. That is 1 minus n is equal to minus 1. That is second order. Answer is equal to second order. Next question number 6. This is the numerical portion. 6. The mechanism of reaction 2NO, that is nitric oxide, plus Br2 liquid bromine gives 2NOBr is given. Mechanism of the reaction. This reaction, what is the mechanism? NO plus Br2 is given. NO plus Br2 gives NOBr2. This step is fast. Second step, NO plus NOBr2. NOBr2 plus NO gives 2NOBr. 2NOBr. This is slow. Slow, that means it is RDS, rate determining step. Derive rate law. Question is derive rate law. Rate law determined through RDS. So rate is equal to K NOBr2 to the power 1 and NO to the power 1. So order is equal to, this is the answer, first plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to second order. Next question number 7. For the reaction H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, plus 3 iodide ion 3I minus plus 2 hydride ion 2H minus gives 2H2O, that is water, 2H2O plus I3 minus. The rate law expression, is rate is equal to K H2O2 hydrogen peroxide and I minus. What is the unit of rate constant? What is the unit of rate constant? According to question, the answer is, that solution is H2O, order is equal to H2O2 to the power 1 plus I minus to the power 1 is equal to second order. So that is 1 minus of n. The unit of rate constant is equal to, unit of K is equal to mole inverse liter per second. For second order, 1 minus n, that is 1 minus 2 and n minus 1. Next question, question number 8. For the reaction A plus B gives C plus D. The following data are provided. Data are given. Calculate order with respect to A and B. First question. Second, what is its unit? What is its unit? This type of question generally asked in 2 marks question. Data are experiment number, initial concentration of A, initial concentration of B and rate of reaction in mole per liter per second. In mole, the unit of rate of reaction is equal to mole per liter per second. Experiment number 1, 2, 3. 0.1 per liter, 0.1 mole per liter, that is capital M, and final is equal to third is equal to 0.2 mole per liter. In B, 0.1 mole per liter, 0.2 mole per liter, and 0.1 mole per liter. The rate is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power -3 mole per liter per second. For second experiment, 1.2 into 10 to the power -3 mole per liter per second, and final is equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power -3 mole per liter. This problem is solved through both are equal in experiment number 1 and 2. The experiment number 1 and 2. So 2 divided by 1. Rate is equal to, or rate, that is 1.2 into 10 to the power -3 divided by 1, that is 1.2 into 10 to the power -3. K, concentration of A, that is 0.1 divided by 0.1 to the power x, 0.2 divided by 0.1 to the power y. This cancel out, that is K, that is divided by 2, 2 to the power y is equal to 1. So y is equal to any number to the power 0 is equal to y for y is equal to 0. The order of y x y, that is order of b is equal to 0. Next, that is order of b to the power 0. Next, from this data both are equal. Experiment number 3 divided by experiment number 1. This is the larger value. Rate is equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power -3 divided by 1.2 into 10 to the power -3. K, 0.2 divided by 0.1 to the power x, 0.1 divided by 0.1 to the power y. This cancel out. This cancel by 2. So K 2 times 2 to the power x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1. Now the answer is a to the power order of a is equal to 1. Answer is equal to rate is equal to k a to the power first order and b to the power 0 order. What is the unit? First answer is equal to this. B unit of its unit of k, that is order is equal to first order, that is per second. Okay. Now total number of questions discussed today is 8.